Alright guys, let's go to fix the remote. We got a problem. What is that? I don't know. Ah. Ah. Whoa. Oh no, he has a sword. What do we do? Bro, you son of... You idiot. Oh no, he's going toward us. Ah! Get him! Get him sword! Get him sword! Get away from me!
Hey kids,
Piss off bus driver.
what did you learn in school today?
We learned that you are a sussy baka.
Why you say that?
Nobody loves you bus driver.
Then I quit.
Eh.
Please look, it was a joke.
Don't worry, we'll survive.
Really?
It's a joke.
Yeah. What is this? Get him! Jit, bro, jit. Jit, no. Run! Getty. Getty. Oh, welcome to my parents' store. How do I help you? Something is wrong with the remote. Is it bent or something or broken? Yes, it's bent. Let me see. Whoa, that is real bent. Hold on, let me fix it. After a few hours, it's fixed. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Come again.